This program is rated PG. It contains themes and scenes which may not be suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is advised.
Be advised that the views and opinions of the hosts and guests do not reflect those of the station.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. I think I did it again. I made you believe we're more than just friends. Oh baby, it might seem like a crush, but it doesn't mean that I'm serious. Lose all my senses. This just so typically me. Oh baby, baby, oops, I did it again. I play with your heart, got lost in the game. Oh baby, baby, oops, you think I'm in love, then I sent from above. I'm not that innocent. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. You see my problem as this, I'm dreaming away, wishing that heroes they truly exist. I cry watching the days, cause you are my fool so many ways. Cause you lose all my senses. This just so typically me. Oh baby, baby, oops, I did it again. I play with your heart, got lost in the game. Oh baby, baby, oops, you think I'm alive, did I send from above? I'm not that innocent. Oops, I did it again. I played with your heart, get lost in the game. Oh, baby, baby, oops, you think I'm in love, that I sent from above. Oops, I did it again. I played with your heart, get lost in the game. Baby, baby, oops, you think I'm in love, that I sent from above. I'm not that innocent. Sent from above, sent from above. I'm not that innocent.
Hello, hello. Thank you for that wonderful song number, Ayesha. Good evening sa ating mga ka-chismax. Ito ulit si G Sharm at kasama natin si... At ang ating grupo na...
BF Girls po.
BF Girls. Bakit BF Girls?
Bible Forum Girls po. Kasi po kami po ay binubuo na sa isang church po kasi kami. Tinitrain po kami doon. Kami po ay member na sa church.
Oh, I see. So,
The church name is Church of God Bible Forum. Okay, so yung group nyo is basically organized for a cause for the young people.
Yes po, para po sa mga young people na mga gusto pong mag-develop ng mga talents.
Okay, that's very nice. So ilang taon usually yung mga young people na kasali sa group ninyo?
Actually po, may kasama po kami, nag-start po siya 1 year old. Hanggang 3 years old na po siya ngayon. Hanggang sa kahit ano pong age.
wonderful. So, ikaw, what age did you start?
Ano, bata pa po. Simula bata pa po. Mga 4, nagbabali-bali na po ako.
Ah, so you also dance. You also...
Yun lang po, mga interpretative dancings po. Mga ganun lang po.
I see, napaka-unique nga ng song number na ginawa mo today. Tagal ko nang hindi narinig yung kantang nga ni Britney Spears. Alam ko no, high school ako, paborito ko yun. Aside from that, and aside from gospel, do you sing any other genres?
Apo, mga rock songs po. Kami pong 4. Actually, 4 po kami. 4 po kami.
Oh, I see. So, asan ang pang-apat? Wala siya. Kasama ba natin siya ngayon? Ah, okay,
We'll sing
okay.
later.
Oh, ako, I can't wait to hear that. But aside from church and here tonight, is there anywhere else we can catch you and watch you perform together?
Sa mga mall shows po namin sa Festival Mall. Actually, last time po kagagaling na po namin sa Festival Mall. Siya po, magpa-perform po siya sa New York.
Wow.
Awesome. Nako, good luck. Pero alam ko kayang-kaya mo yan. How do you feel about performing in New York soon?
I'm excited. I don't know, overwhelmed, excited, a little bit pressured.
Okay, we're all excited for you. And before we pass on the mic to Mr. Pado, how else can we follow you? Do you have any other social media accounts? Instagram, Twitter, Facebook?
Apo, pwede niyo po kami i-follow sa Church of God Bible Forum sa Facebook po. And yung account ko po, Miss Ayesha Falcon. Yun lang po.
All right, thank you so much. And now, let's call on Mr. Padua who has a wonderful surprise for us. Yung mga guest nating naggagandahan ngayong gabi.
Miss Global.
Thank you very much, G. Micah. Si Micah naman, parating naka-side view. Parang nahihiyang umarap sa camera. Bigyan mo nga ng konting isang shot muna si Micah dyan, Willie, o Jigger, o Rolly.
Harap,
Micah,
okay.
tumingin ka muna rito sa camera. Ikaw naman, nahihiya ka eh. Mukhang kulang ang bayad sa'yo. Ayan.
Ang aking makeup artist kasi, Sir Eloy, nilagyan ng
Okay.
bangs.
Thank you very much, G. Micah, mga kachismaks, andito na naman po kami. Kasama ko si Che Conrado. Ito po si Eloy Padua. Ngayong gabing ito, buenas ako ngayon. Engineer Simon, pasensya ka na. Mamaya, kita pa uupuin dito. Pero siyempre, for the meantime, ang Miss Global
Miss
muna
Global Philippines.
ang kakausapin natin. Sige, bumati ka muna, Che.
Yes,
Naman
isang
sa'yo.
magandang buhay sa lahat ng mga televiewers natin. Punong-puno po tayo ng kagandahan ngayong gabing to. Yan sa mga televiewers natin sa Mindanao, Visayas, Luzon. Sa Mindanao po, napakarami nating televiewers. Hello there! Tag-ulan na po, kunting ingat sa mga bata at syempre, be ready.
Ayan, okay. Siguro, pabayaan na nating ipakilala nilang mga sarili nila para naman meron silang dialogue. Sige, Miss Global Philippines 2016, ikaw muna kasi ikaw ang winner. Sige,
Ganon?
pakilala mo sa sarili mo.
Alright, well sa mga nanonood po sa Chismax, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Camille Hiro, ang Miss Global Philippines 2016.
Alright, and syempre, ang ating first runner-up.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng televiewers. Ako po si Perlene Ocampo, first runner-up and Miss Tourism Ambassador.
Alright, okay. Unang question, ikaw na, Che. Dahil ikaw
So,
dati ka namang beauty.
Ay, nako.
I just want to know, ano ang feeling after winning?
Well-
Nag-sync na ba agad on that same night or
Actually, hindi po masyado, no? I think it goes for everyone din kasi sobrang pagod. So parang natulog mo na 12 hours after nun pa, ay, nanalo na yata ako.
But do you
Totoo
have
ba
that
yun?
feeling na ang isang kandidato talagang nag-i-expect to win? Kaya nga tayo sumasali sa mga ganyan.
Yes,
Opo.
yes.
Lahat naman po kami nag-expect
Correct.
manalo and lahat naman kami may preparation na ginawa para
Yes.
syempre
Manalo.
makuha namin yung corona.
So, the preparation comes with like what? Keeping fit? How?
Well, a lot of workout, tapos no rice muna for a couple of weeks, diba? Para mas mabilis tayo mag-shed ng weight.
Kaya?
Kaya naman. Pero siguro yung pinaka mas importante sa lahat ng naging preparation po namin is yung mental tsaka yung emotional na preparation. Kasi grabe po yung pagod, grabe yung yung pressure, lalong-lalo na kasi makikita mo ang gaganda lahat ng mga
So it likes,
kandidata.
ano ang time frame to prepare from the first day from the audition to the coronation night?
For,
Mga ilang months yan?
for Miss Global Philippines, it was 2 months po. So,
very short.
mabilis, yeah. So, kailangan talaga as much as possible pag nag-screening ka, you're almost prepared na eh. Kasi ang dami activities, so mahirap din mag-focus. Minsan pag pagod ka na, di ba, parang hirap pa rin mag-diet or mag-workout pag walang time. So, kailangan
So
prepared.
you are saying na each and every candidate, talagang goal talaga yon. That I will be joining a certain beauty pageant. Hindi yung pagising mo, maganda pala ako, saan kaya ako pwede sumali. Hindi ganon.
Dapat talaga decided ka na nasasali ka kasi ang daming aspects ng competition hindi lang naman yan na nandun ka sasalang ka na, hindi, makikita mo talaga. And from when we started, ang daming nagbago sa mga girls, bakit biglang ay may abs na sila.
Ma-realize mo na hindi enough na maganda ka lang. Sobrang very tough competition in all aspects.
Yes, you have to be confidently beautiful.
With the heart, sabi nga.
Kahit anong ganda mo kung backward ang feeling mo.
Yes.
Hindi mailalabas yung ganda talaga.
That's true.
As in, how about yung conditioning naman sa parents that my girls are joining the beauty queen? Sa isang parent kasi parang stressful din.
It is. Well, it's not just with the parents kasi like for us, may kanya-kanyang buhay, 'di ba? So para sila naghihingi na lang na anong update. Minsan ang hirap na mag-respond kasi sobrang busy, nakatulugan, ganyan. It's really more of the personal preparation. And then everyone else, very very supportive. Hindi na nangungulit kapag may mga kailangan pang ayusin, sila na yung nag-aayos talaga.
So talaga by yourself, hindi na uso ang stage mother.
At this stage in our lives, parang hindi na. Kanya-kanya. Actually, ang maganda dun sa competition, lalo na sa aming dalawa, we really help each other. Kasi, for example, for my accessories, sometimes, ay, hindi bagay. So parang, Pearl, may extra ka ba dyan? Mabilis. Kasi, lalo-lalo na kami yung mas matanda na dun sa batch. So parang, mentoring na lang and helping each other talaga.
And you girls know each other sa pageant na lang?
No, we've known
dati na
each
kayong
other
friends?
even before. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Ilan ba kayong sumali lahat yan?
23 candidates total.
23?
Yes.
Tapos ang winners, 5.
Yes.
Well,
Ibig
more
sabihin
like 10. More like 10. Kasi yung 5 after nung top 5, runners-up naman sila. And they're also invited sa mga different events.
Mga activities namin.
Alright. Marami pa tayong itatanong sa ating Miss Global Philippines 2016. Sa pagbabalik namin, huwag po kayong aalis. Ay, wag po. Diyan lang kayo, wag po kayong aalis. Alright, love you, Allure.